Good morning students, welcome you all in the class of History Civics. Today I am going to start a new topic from your history syllabus, and that is the Mauryan Empire. Okay, so this chapter is quite important also, and listen carefully. Today just I am introducing the topic to you. Okay, so listen carefully. This Mauryan Empire, as the name suggests, it was ruled by Mauryan dynasty. Mauryan dynasty actually it was quite extensive and politically powerful empire in ancient India. Okay, Mauryan Empire was quite powerful as well as large kingdom in ancient India. And this Mauryan Empire, it actually originated from the kingdom of kingdom of Magad. Magad means modern Bengal and Bihar. Okay, and the empire had its capital city at Patliputra. Patliputra means modern Patna. And this empire, Mauryan Empire, was founded by Chandragupta Maurya in 322 BC, and Chandragupta Maurya founded this empire by just defeating powerful Nandas. Okay, and after defeating powerful Nandas, he founded this Mauryan Empire, and after that he started rapidly increasing its boundaries towards just central and western India. Okay, at this time just he took the advantage of the disturbance which was occurring among the local powers caused by Alexander the Great and Persian armies. Okay, and by 316 BC the empire had just fully occupied northwestern India, defeating and conquering the governors which were left by Alexander. Okay, and after Chandragupta's conquest, now the Mauryan Empire extended from Bengal and Assam in the east to Afghanistan and Balochistan in the west, to Kashmir and Nepal in the north, and to the Deccan Plateau in the south. Okay, so this was all about the foundation of Mauryan Empire. Now children, let us know about Chandragupta Maurya. So Chandragupta Maurya actually he was the founder of Mauryan dynasty, Mauryan Empire. Okay, and Chandragupta he was successful in bringing together most of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, as a result, Chandragupta is considered the first unifier of India, as well as he is also considered as the first genuine emperor of India, because he was the first one to unite India. He was the unifier of subcontinent India. Okay, now according to Jain tradition, Chandragupta Maurya he ruled for 24 years, and after that he renounced the world. He left the world and handed over the kingdom to his son Bindusar, and it is said that Chandragupta Maurya just he started following the saintly life, and it is said that he have started fasting until death. Okay, so this was all about the foundation of Mauryan Empire and its founder Chandragupta Maurya. Now listen about his son Bindusar. So Bindusar ascended the throne in 293 BC. Okay, and he conquered many parts of the South India after defeating 16 rulers there. Okay, now he died in 273 BC. Now let us know about the most important person. Okay, Kautilya. So Kautilya actually he is also known as Chanakya, and he was the chief guide and advisor of Chandragupta. He wrote the book Arthashastra, which is one of the greatest treatises on economics, politics, foreign affairs, administration, military, arts, war and religion. Okay, and Kautilya, he played a significant role in the foundation of Mauryan Empire. The Arthashastra the book which is written by Kautilya, it is clearly mentioned in this book about life, society and the administration under the Mauryan rules. Means about the life, society, administration during the Mauryan Empire. The whole information we get from this book, Arthashastra. Okay. Now this book Arthashastra is divided into 15 parts, and the book deals with the qualities and discipline which were required for a wise and virtuous king. All the qualities which the king was expected to possess, they all are discussed in this book. And Kautilya just also mentions in the book that earth means economy, the money is the most important, and dharma and karma both are dependent on it. And the book also tells about the fines and punishment which were decided for breaking the laws. Okay, so this is all about the foundation of Mauryan Empire. In the next video we will discuss about Ashoka the Great. Till then, have a good day.